Morning, students of class 8. Today we are going to start the chapter 21.1. Previous day we did a little bit just how to plot a point that we learned. Today we will start how to plot point and make a straight line with the given set of points. Now look at the question number 2. It is given that plot the following groups of points on a graph and join them with a straight line. What are the points? Group of points, that is E. The name of the point is E and its coordinate is -2, -5. Next point F, which have coordinate of 0, -3. Next G, 2, -1 and H, 6, 3. So first let us locate the point. First point is E -2 -5. First you make this line origin. This is the origin, x, x bar and y, y bar. This is the origin. You have to start counting always from the origin. Okay, so first is -2 -5. That means x axis the value is minus, that means in left side, and again y axis value is minus, that means in here. When both are having minus sign, so this is in the third quadrant. So here it is 1, 2, -2 and -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. And the short thing, how to get exactly 5, either it is plus or minus. The less thicker line than this grid, the main grid. This is the main grid, these are the main grids, and less thicker line is this. So this is the 10 unit, I told you. So this is -5. Next point is F, 0 -3. This is 0 point and -3, that means y axis is -3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 0 -3, F point. Next point is G, 2 -1. 2 -1. 1, 2 is x axis and -y, -1. This is here. This is y axis. So it is 2 -1. Next is 6, 3. That is point H. H, 6, 3. So start from here. On this x axis, this is the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and y is 3 unit. So, and this is plus, so upper side it will be 1, 2, 3. So this point is the 6 and 3 unit. Now these 4 units you got, just use the scale and you can draw the line. Next question, see what is given. This is question number 3. What is given? Plot the point A, -4 -6, B 4 -6, C 4 2 and D -4 -2. Join AB, BD, DC and CA. What figure is formed? Find the area. Find its area. So first have a look how the plot we will get. So see, this is the graph. Okay, and first point is A, -4 -6. So see, both are having minus sign, so it will be in third quadrant, 1, 2, 3, and take -4. 1, 2 x axis, so this is on this axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, and y axis value is -2, 1, 2. So this is point -6, sorry, -4 -6, -4 and -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is A, -4 -6. Next point is B, 4 -6. So x axis value is positive and y axis value is negative. So x axis value positive, it will be right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and -6. So -6 you get here, so till here it is 4 -6. Next point, see, it is 4 and 2, then 4 take 4 and 2, 1, 2. This is all are positive, that is in first quadrant, and point D is -4, -2. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 and -2 is this. So this A, B, C, D you are getting. You can see what is this. This is a trapezium. See, AD and BC are the parallel line and AB is the height of the trapezium. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the area. What is the formula of trapezium? The area of the trapezium, the formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so what is the height? This distance is the height. Height of the trapezium is the distance between two parallel sides. AD and BC are two parallel sides. So height between them, how you can find out here? See, take how many grids are here, how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 8 unit. The distance between these two parallel side is 8 unit. Okay, so this is the height. Now first parallel side is having what distance or what length? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 unit. And this BC, how many unit it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is 8 grids. That is 8 unit. Okay, so all the data we got, the parallel sides and the distance. Now we will calculate just. So look at here, the figure is formed, the trapezium ABCD. AB is 8 unit, AD is 4 unit, BC is 8 unit. So these are the parallel sides AD and BC. So area is half into sum of parallel sides into height square unit. So half into 4 plus 8. These are the parallel sides into 8. This is the height. That is, by 2 you can cut 8. It is 4. So 4 plus 8 is 12 into 4 square unit. That is 48 square unit is the area of the given figure. So try the rest of the problem to solve. Rest of the thing we are going to discuss in our live class. Thank you, class.